Hello all. So this is a continuation of the previous video. The previous video you have seen the scratch code for ANN for diabetic dataset. By using the continuation, you can see this is the continuation of the previous code which we made in the previous video. Now it's for CNN. Already we have imported the libraries and we have just mentioned the dataset description. So now in this thing, for ANN we would not have need to reshape the dataset. We have made our dataset by using X variable and Y variable. But you can see we no need to reshape. We are just using the same shape for the ANN. But for CNN, we have to reshape our dataset. For reshape, I'm just using the reshape function. So by using this, we can reshape our dataset, and this 2 comma 1 we will be using this in the input convolution layer. So the layers which we are using in the CNN, because in the previous code I would have explained that we will show nearly three codes for diabetes dataset, that is ANN, CNN, and also some improved CNN, in which we have imported two other layers such as batch normalization and dropout, because by the usage of this batch normalization and dropout we will provide some better results. For that we are using this layers. Now we have used in this thing, we have used convolution layer, only one convolution layer, then max pooling, flatten, and two dense. So in other, what are the other things which we are using is the activation is the rail loop, padding is same, input size we have used from the data set which is 2 comma 1, and then we have just calling it summary, and what are the links datas or layers found. So now you can see this is the output shape of this layers. Now here we have used the loss as binary, cross entropy and optimizer as Adam, and then we are training our model for 50 approaches. Already for ANN also we have trained our model for 50 approaches only. While making that video itself, I would have said that increasing the number of approaches will take some time to complete our execution. So if you want to work with if you want to complete your code more fast, means you can just reduce this number of approaches. So we can wait till it's 50 approaches is completed. After this, we are going to plot the graphs for mm, confusion matrix, and also we are going to predict the performance metrics parameters like precision, recall, and F1 score by using the performance classification test function, by which we have already imported. So if you need, just check the previous video. So I will also show here also. Can see we have just made the classification report import. So this we have used down to just check the accuracy of the model. Now it has been trained for nearly 33 approaches. So now all the 50 approaches has been run, and now so we can just make our the performance metrics parameters to display like precision, recall, F1 score, support, accuracy, macro average and micro average, and then we can just make our confusion matrix. The confusion matrix definition we have already done in the previous ANN code. Here you can see for creating a confusion matrix, we have just made a definition. This definition only we are just creating using down to create a confusion matrix. Then in the next code and in the next video, we can see the same CNN but with some different layers which we have not used in this code. Thank you.